Introducing the Reme Halo Zero air purification system for your whole home. Verified zero ozone by Intertech. Reme Halo Zero is powered by RGF's proprietary AGHP cell technology to create low-level, airborne, gaseous hydrogen peroxide in your air conditioning system. When the unit turns on, it operates silently and continuously to produce airborne hydrogen peroxide molecules, which are distributed to the entire air-conditioned space of your home. The Reme Halo Zero uses active cleaning technology that directly targets pollutants. Every time a hydrogen peroxide molecule comes into contact with bacteria, viruses, mold spores, and odors, it quickly breaks them down, reducing air quality contaminants at the source. The system also passes a charge off to all the dust, dander, pollen, and allergens in the air, which causes them to stick together. The increase in size will make your existing filter equipment more efficient at capturing these airborne particles. The Reme Halo Zero is literally purifying the air throughout your whole home at the same time.
The high occupancy of commercial buildings makes them one of the most polluted indoor air environments. The Reme Halo by RGF can reduce these contaminants at the source. Medical facilities using the Reme Halo can reduce airborne pathogens, and long-term care facilities have saved dollars by eliminating chemical odor cover-ups and increasing worker productivity. Schools can see a decrease in sickness and absentee rates. When you install a Reme Halo, you will notice the difference in the quality and freshness of the air you breathe and wonder why you did not take this simple measure sooner. To find out more, visit or talk to your local air conditioning and heating contract to start breathing cleaner, fresher indoor air.